I want to do a short follow-up video with the last one just to highlight how you might use vertex groups in something that other than a skeleton. Because I was talking a little bit about mechanical devices and stuff as well. I'm going to go ahead and select this model here. And you'll notice in this one that I have lots of vertex groups. Quite a lot of vertex groups, actually. I'm going to select that on the armature. I'm going to use slash on the number pad to just take that into the local view, so you just have the model itself. And just like in the vertex settings where you have vertex groups and you can also have shape keys, if you're working with an armature, you can go and work with actually having bone groups instead of vertex groups, bone groups. And this is just a way of organizing your armature. You can select themes and color settings to better identify what groups they work with. This is a project that I did a few years back, and I've actually never really finished it the way that I intended to. It was kind of a fun exercise trying to figure out how things might mechanically work. It's not it's definitely not the best working model I've ever created by any means, but kind of just fun to play with. And it's all articulated. I could even go and if we keep moving it here, I'm going to zoom in like so, and I actually had it, there we go. Keeping the thing in focus there is a little difficult, so I actually had it so that it could move and everything like that. But it was just kind of a fun little project, and you know, it's fun to experiment with things like this. I wouldn't maybe go as complex as I did with all those different armatures and things like that. That might be a little bit overkill for most of you. But it is fun to try things out. Don't get stuck on just one project though. You can learn a lot by doing multiple projects and trying out multiple things, seeing what you can get the program to do. So anyway, I thought I'd just show you a different use of the vertex groups, and I'll go on to our next video now.